Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. So to truly understand the essence of Kerala cuisine, you should be trying the simple recipes that we make, and this is one of such recipes. This is Kanthari prawns. It's made out of a variety of chilli called Kanthari. It is also known as bird's eye chilli. It is very tiny but mighty spicy. It lends a very different flavor to this dish, and along with it I've paired prawns and a little bit of coconut milk. So ingredients list is given in the description box below. I've got more such Kerala recipes on my channel, so do subscribe and click the bell. Let's move on to the preparation. So this is the Kanthari or the bird's eye chilli. I've got some fennel seeds also here and some small onion, ginger and garlic. So we start with crushing all these ingredients together, and that will form the base of the dish. So I've taken a pan, put it on medium-high heat, heated some coconut oil in it. Now I'm adding some coconut slivers or coconut bits here, and we're going to fry it. So these are just thinly sliced pieces of coconut. I'm also adding the curry leaf to this, and we'll just saute the coconut until they start to turn golden brown in color. So you can see the coconuts have turned brown in color. Now it's time to add the crushed ingredients. So like I said, I've mixed together small onion, garlic, ginger, fennel seeds and Kanthari together. Now we're going to add this to the oil and then saute it for a few minutes. We don't want to brown the onions, we just want it to get sauteed. So let it saute for a few minutes. Now the onions have sauteed for enough time. I'm adding the cleaned prawns to this. Now we'll just saute the prawns in the mixture as well. Once everything is sauteed together, we'll add in some black pepper powder, turmeric powder and salt to taste. Give it a mix once again so that it coats the prawns well. Now we'll just cook this for 5 to 6 minutes until the prawns are done. Add a little bit of coconut milk on top, very little, okay, and mix it together. Now we don't want this to be too watery, so we'll just mix it and switch off the flame. It will sit and become thicker. So that's it. The simple Kanthari prawns recipe is ready. You can serve this with any Kerala dish, chapati, rice, etc. So it's too simple that you cannot miss trying this. So do try it and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.